Welcome to another episode of the Ask Amity Show. My name is Edmund.
I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Cindy.
And today we're going to answer the question, how much is probate court in California? So Jennifer, do you want to start out with this topic?
Sure. So probate court fees are generally by statute in California. So it really depends on the total amount of your estate. And it's like a tiered schedule starting off at 4%. So we're looking at typically, if you have, just an average home in the U.S. or in California, I'm saying, and you might have a few accounts here and there, maybe on average around $700,000 total in estate, then you're looking at about $34,000 in probate costs alone. And that doesn't include, the other type of fees and time and emotion and other factors that come into play going through probate.
Yes, the other cost of probate is not just time, it's not just money, it's also time. So the average length of a probate case could go from anywhere from 12 months to maybe even 14, 16 months. So it could take a significant amount of time before any of your beneficiaries, any of your heirs will be able to enjoy those assets that you've left behind.
Yeah, and then I think we also have to address the emotional toll that it takes on the family. During this type of time, you're usually grieving the loss of your loved one. And so if you, on top of that, have to go through kind of a court process and a court proceeding, visit your attorneys and, fill out paperwork and details about the incident, then, it really does take an emotional toll on the family members having to go through the probate process. And so without, having an estate plan and a living trust, your family really has to go through a lot in order to just even inherit certain assets that you may have left for them.
And another reason is also privacy. So you've basically the cost of probate is losing that privacy that you would have had if you had an estate plan. So going through probate is a public process. It is a court proceeding that anyone can participate in and anyone can be an audience of. So it's also documented. You can retrieve your probate case online and on the county that it's filed in. So there really strips any sense of privacy that you thought you might have had.
Yeah, so the biggest takeaway here is plan ahead so you can help your family avoid probate. Make sure that you have an estate plan if you own a home, that you have a living trust. So then there is, a smooth transition when the time comes. And you can avoid probate completely if you planned ahead and if you did your estate plan right. So we always recommend to our clients, it's better now than later because you never know what could happen. So if you want to help your family, save tens of thousands of dollars later, save them time and emotional distress, it's good to put together a living trust and an estate plan. And if you have any questions on how to avoid probate and things like that, we do have a lot of articles and videos that you can check out to learn more about how you can help your family today. So if you have any other questions, you can leave a comment below for us and we will do our best to answer them on our next show. We'll see you next time.